Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to use the Wix Video Maker. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and in order to go to the website editor, I just need to click on Edit Site, and it will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my website editor. And we can go to the Wix Video Maker by just clicking on Media right here on the sidebar, and then scrolling down, and then clicking on the Video Maker. So the Video Maker is a great way to create your own videos right here in Wix so that you don't need to use an editor anymore. So this is a fast and efficient way to create simple videos here for your Wix website. So just click on it, and then it will open up this window right here. So from here you can add photos and videos that you want to add to the video. So for example, I will click on the plus button and then click on upload media and click upload from computer. And then from here, I can go ahead and select all of the files that I want to use. So for example, all of these car images. So click on open, and then we'll wait for it to download, or I mean to be uploaded. So here is all of the images that we have uploaded. So we can go ahead and select all of them. So you can just press the shift key on your keyboard and click all of the images that you want to use. And then if you have selected all of them, you can just click on add to video. And then here is the photos that we will use for the video. And then for the text, you can just insert a text right here that you want to insert to the video. So for example, I'll put it, I am John Doe. These are my concepts for different cars. Thank you for watching. And then click on next. And then from here, you can choose a style for your videos. For example, if you want to use no filter, you can use blocks, you can use moments, you can use circles, pop, duotone, frame, party, brushstrokes, play, love, pixels, swing, glitch, spark, kinetic, fold, glitter, and prism. So choose a video style that you prefer. So for example, I want to choose kinetic. And then you can choose a layout. So for example, I want the horizontal layout. And then for the style, colors, and fonts. So for example, if you want to change a style color, I'll just choose black. And then for the style font, let's choose this Rubik font right here, and then click on next. Then from here we can choose a music for our video, so you can just play the specific music so that you can hear the music that you want to add to the video. So just be careful since some of the music in here is loud. For example, I want to choose this back chat. I'll just click on it, click on next. You can also decide if you want to turn the music on or off. So I'll just keep it on. So go to next. And then from here, you can add the business logo. So I'll remove this. So for example, I'll insert a sample logo right here. For example, this one. But I can add this image since it is an SVG file. So let's just go ahead and upload media. And then let's choose this logo sample right here. And then let's add it to the video. Click on add to video, and then you can also insert some details for your website right here. But you can also just not put any information right here if you don't want it to be added to the video. So for example, I'll just remove it and then click on apply and preview, and then we'll just wait for the video to be created. Now the video is ready and we can play it. And then that is it. That is how we use the Wix Video Maker. Then we can save this so that we have a copy of the video that we have just created. So we'll just wait for it to save. And then you can go ahead and share this to different platforms, or you can add it to your website, or you can download the file. So I'll just add it to the website. And then I have the video right here. And then I can add a section and then add the video to the top part of my website. And then when I click on preview, I can also see the video in the website right here, and I can turn the music on or off. And then that is it. That is how we use the Wix Video Maker. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.